Ooh, been a minute since I've been out to AVS. It's Flavor Express today. Guess it's the Rainbow Road event. Ooh, what's this yachty? But yeah, been a minute since I've been out to AVS, mainly because I've been helping out Team Chill Style a lot, which we changed our name. We didn't have a name before. It's just name us Team Ghetto Rig. And now we're Team Chill Style. So out here helping the boy Laurel do his thing. Be chilling today. Oh shit. So yeah, helping out the CB fam today. Gonna get some good skids in. The doggy Kuda. What you up to? You gonna slide the Tahoe or what?
I got this man's tire collection in the back. I'm coming this dirt road. It's so rough. The freaking tires are just flying. One's like right next to Amari.
Oh no! Now hang on a gosh dang minute. I haven't been here in a while. This is new. Oh, but it's locked. Can your boy still get in? Oh, it's locked. Oh, this will be a killer view. Pete, let me in. Oh, I want to come up here. I'm gonna go ask Pete for permission. Shallow yachty. I'm taking a little break, just hanging out, but I haven't really been recording much because I'm kind of just enjoying the skids, helping the homies out. But Juanita's always hooking us up. Got my torta, got my mixed fruit smoothie, mixed berry smoothies. Just gonna munch out fat. Bomb. event's going on until about 11 today. But fortunately, I got other shit to do. I just love coming out here, supporting the homies, helping everyone out. And, you know, just hanging out, really, and vibing. Oh. Yo! So yeah, just helping my boys out. Yeah, I'm gonna call this the end of my day. I edit this when I edit this because, you know, I go over inspiration over obligation. But yeah, this has been Flavor Express. See y'all in the next one. Peace.